Chinese calligraphy. Chinese calligraphy is a unique usual art based on Chinese characters. It boasts a long history and a good variety of styles, which are divided into the seal script, official script, cursive script, running script, and regular script in general terms. The seal script was used before the Han Dynasty. Since the Han Dynasty, it has been predominantly used in seals for its smooth and elegant looking. The official script was created during the Qin and Han dynasties. In the official script, the line characteristic of the seal script was replaced by the dot, endowing Chinese characters distinct strokes. The Han Dynasty witnessed the maturity of the official script. The regular script took shape later than the official script and has become the standard style of handwriting since the Sui and Tang dynasties up to date. A complete set of stroke shapes was formed in the regular script. The cursive script that emerged in the Han Dynasty is another common script in addition to the three scripts mentioned above. It is written in a scrolly way at a rapid speed. In the later Eastern Han Dynasty, a new style called the running script came into being. It is subject to no strict writing rules. The neatly and carefully written running characters look similar to the regular script, while those hastily written ones are more like the cursive script. Written at a faster speed than the regular script and being less eligible than the cursive script, the running script is much loved by Chinese people. Nowadays, it is the most frequently used script in the daily life of Chinese people and in their work and study. In the Chinese history, there were a lot of outstanding calligraphers, the most famous one being Wang Xizhi of the Eastern Jin dynasty. As a master in a number of scripts, such as the official, the regular, the cursive, and the running, Wang Xizhi learned the skills from many others and created his own style, being acknowledged as the sage of calligraphy by later generations. In September 2009, Chinese calligraphy was inscribed on the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity.